whistle for coming back tonight. I did see.
Red light run, red light run, red light run. You see, after careful consideration and asking every single member of my audience, the ones that matter at least, I decided I'm bringing back the Red Light Run song because it's my channel and I can do whatever I want. So there you go. You're getting the song again.
Shit to see you in person.
I know where my health is more because I had to do things like 4 days in a fucking row.
Nope, behind
and
me.
Not only do I know where my health is, I already knew. I've said it on the internet forever. But now if I...
This, praying it was fake because it's the most racist thing I've seen out of this White House. The president should remove it. Praying it was fake. Look at his own Truth Social account, dumbass. You'll quickly
Exit
find
dive
out
behind me.
Fake. This
Infinity.
Why did you say that part?
Fancy Nissan driver.
And there was an inkling that I got a hold of the Senate for the next 2 years after this.
Oh.
And you get a hold of the Senate before they can run the table on this, and then they have to, let's say Alito cashes out, right. Thomas, gets cancer and dies.
Oh.
Thomas gets cancer and dies. Esophageal cancer.
Oh, what hurts the most?
Whatever one is most painful.
Exit dive.
His billionaire friends can't buy away.
Oh my God. Yeah.
All right, Bill. The floor is yours, sir.
Where are the pics? I can't. Where are my goddamn pics? I can't see what this.
Red light run. Right.
Yeah,
Yeah, red light run again.
Yeah,
Definitely. I was about to say, it's like, this light's not turning green yet. Yeah. They ran the red light. You saw it. It's on the video.
Fumbling all.
It's like, who do you think built the reservoir where you get all of your water from? Dude, in Las Vegas.
Red light run.
So, I don't know. If you do something. Have Rob Ford come and fill your pothole. You need a department that fills potholes, and then it's their job to find them all and fill them all.
Dive for the left turn lane.
Called Rob Ford left. And that really
there he
annoyed
is.
me because one of the things Rob Ford consistently did was voted against spending any money on anything, which would have been call 311 and maybe you're put on hold. What he would do is he knows exactly the right person in every department, and he will say, drop what you're doing, drive out to this location right now.
Red light run.
There's a specific story where he got 2 fire marshals.
In response to some of these traditions, as they exist in the text as it has been preserved.
No stop.
Maybe other stories, but yeah, you do get pushback.
No stop.
It's still a football game. And that's why you can appreciate those when you can't appreciate anything about the Super Bowl.
Red light run.
I want to go to a Super Bowl now if they paid me.
To being a part of the Board of Peace, they're pulling back. They're saying, we don't know actually.
Well, right.
Exit dive.
The Board of Peace. The Board of Peace oversees.
It had been actually destroyed. So how could you establish even the most obvious fact when there existed no record outside your
No
own
stop.
memory?
Behind me.
He tried to remember.
It's on the way. It's on the way. And if the theology side didn't stick, the more practical aspects of the biblical education certainly didn't take either. Because at the age of 19, he was arrested for having done
Seriously?
one of like the 10 things the Bible specific.
That's a first. Scraping snow off your car while you're driving. Multitasking. Okay. We'll do that.
Embezzlement.
Huh. Sitting in the jail for the second.
Dude, you might want to run that back windshield wiper once or twice just to get some of that snow off of there. Yeah, just a suggestion, asshole. Maybe clearing off, not having no snow on your car would help you stay in the lane that you're supposed to stay in. That would help too, asshole.
A few moments later.
With space travel that they invented, they get here and they're like, hey, check out these triangles. We're really good.
There's that guy going again.
Let me show you guys
Cutting
stacking
people
it.
off.
Should we
Really?
talk about germs? Nah, let's do the big head. Let's do the, on the right over here. I was like, let's do big
Can you
head.
imagine how embarrassed those aliens are going to be when they come back and we show them like laser etching and Teflon and they're like, fuck, yeah, we never got really fun.
Really?
Bricks. Will you come back to our planet with us?
So the thing is, because it's code written by a human, the code written by the human is code that
Straight
tells
from the left turn
humanity
lane.
how to change its connection strings.
Prince Andrew's birthday.
God says no kings, says Savvy. Thank you, Savvy. God not
Red light run. Red light run. Red light run. That was really freaking obvious. So I had to sing the song. He's song worthy.
School undercover. Like, literally, skateboards were a big focus.
They
in that
were,
first one.
yeah.
Big focus. The next year, they showed a pastor.
Red light
washing
run.
the feet of a
Red light
nun.
run. Red light run. Yep, singing a song again. I know you guys love it. That's why I do it.
Of divorce were not so high. I'm like, right, so like women didn't have an option. They could barely get like full-time
Red light
jobs to
run.
support themselves and their families. So why?
I restarted my computer before today's stream. I thought that might help, but it didn't. Look at
Exit dive behind me.
From the No Kings organizers.
The Super Bowl halftime show featuring Bad Bunny, a Puerto Rican guy. Puerto Rican! And that is un-American. So they made their
exit
own
dive.
show with no strippers and no drugs at all. In order to compete with the...
All right. Hey, everybody relax. Everybody take it easy. All right, momentous, everybody.
Oh.
You know, by this point in the year, routines are real, not aspirational.
Left turn, regret.
And when it comes to supplements,
Yeah, right. He says, quote, if this sounds like an argument that the more popular, enduring, and successful world religions are more likely than others to be true, yes, that's exactly what I'm arguing, end quote.
It does sound
Nice
like
cutoff.
that,
Yeah, right. The fact that his is the most popular.
The Yankees, who have always been the standard, have gone into one of the great droughts of their history as far as championships. I mean, one championship in the last 20 years. I mean, that's not Yankee luck in any way.
You're just driving like a
And I always
douche
say,
in a canoe.
we would have a very different.
No trucks in the left lane, no, you cannot be there. If we're in Connecticut, no trucks in the left lane, no, you cannot be there. If we happen to be in Connecticut, but I don't think there's any laws against trucks in the left lane in New Hampshire, so I think you're fine. So I'm just singing this song because I sing this stupid song at the end of all my videos, and plus it's becoming 2 lanes here anyway, so who cares? Party on. You do you. So don't worry, I'm not mad at you. I'm just singing a stupid song because I'm stupid, I guess. And this is the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. Please like, comment, and subscribe so you can get more videos. Yay! All right, I'll see you next time. Okay, bye!